Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group chats more organized and peaceful, Slow Mode is the perfect feature for you. With the latest Telegram update, enabling Slow Mode on your group from your PC is easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to activate Slow Mode and make your group conversations flow more smoothly. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head over to the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the power to enable or adjust Slow Mode, so double-check your status before proceeding. Once you're inside your group chat, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Group. This will open up the settings where you can control all the important features for your group. In the Management menu, find and click on Permissions. This is where you'll see all the options for what members can and can't do in your group. Scroll down until you spot the Slow Mode section. Now, it's time to choose the period for Slow Mode. You'll see a slider or a list of time intervals. These can range from just 10 seconds up to 1 hour. Pick the interval that best fits your group's needs. For example, if you want to slow things down just a bit, select 10 or 30 seconds. For even more control, go for a longer interval. After you've chosen your preferred Slow Mode period, don't forget to click Save. This will apply the changes instantly, and your group will now have Slow Mode enabled. Members will see a timer after they send a message, letting them know how long they need to wait before posting again. That's it. With Slow Mode on, your group chats will be less cluttered and much easier to follow. You can always return to the same settings to adjust or disable Slow Mode whenever you like. Thanks for watching and enjoy a calmer, more organized Telegram group experience.